Creek students. Did you hear what is happening on Monday?
Well, Sunday is Veterans Day, so maybe do we get to recognize our veterans here at school Monday?
Oh, pretty please tell me we do?
Yes, that is right. On Monday, we will be having a Veterans Day celebration during our lunchtime at BCE.
Oh, goody! Students should wear red, white, and blue to show their support for our country and veterans.
And also, students need to have a conversation with their families about veterans, and maybe if they have any veterans in their family or close friends that have served, we should recognize them.
Yes, let's do that by having them write down any family member or friend that has served our country.
Make sure to get the dates or wars they were involved in, too.
That will make this Veterans Day very special because we are going to be making a timeline with ribbon.
Good! I can't wait!
Remember, wear red, white, or blue on Monday to show your USA pride.
And show your paw pride when meeting the veterans on Monday.